makalaban po si Violet, very, very challenging po kasi hindi mo alam kung ano pa ang maibubuga niya. Kasi every episode, every performance niya po, may pinapakita po siyang bago, which is very, very challenging makalaban. Dahil nga, hindi mo alam kung ano ang kaya niya pang gawin.
From Teen Clash Pacquiao versus Violet.
Let the Teen Clash begin!
Super thankful po ako na nabigyan po ulit ako ng another chance o isa pang araw para lumaban. At ipakita ko po ang talent ko po ulit sa inyo. And ayan, nagpapasalamat po kay Lord kasi po nabigyan nga po ulit ako ng chance. And ito pong chance na to, hindi ko po talaga siya sasayangin. Gagawin ko po talaga yung best.
Surprise, surprise, na-shock nga din po ako na ang kalaban ko po ulit si Kelly. So, I feel very, very proud of Bianca po kasi she wasn't feeling well that day, pero now, I'm so glad that now we are both on like equal ground. Pareha po kaming condition po ang boses, so parang mas naging fair po yung battle round na ito. So, I'm very, very proud of Bianca.
Mixed emotions po, kasi ayun, may halong kaba po, and syempre happy po kasi po nakita ko po ulit yung mga clasher, and makalaban po si Violet, very, very challenging po kasi hindi mo alam kung ano pa ang maibubuga niya. Kasi every episode, every performance niya po, may pinapakita po siyang bago, which is very, very challenging makalaban. Dahil nga, hindi mo alam kung ano ang kaya niya pang gawin.
As for my performance for this round, I really took the Clash panel's comments from last week po, and I'm really glad that I was able to let loose more with this second song, and I really hope that all of you guys felt it as well. So whatever happens po, I know it's in God's will, and I'm really proud of whatever outcome will be here for today.